Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to do force restart on your iPhone 15 Pro. So first thing first, just press volume up button, then release, then volume down button, then release, then press and keep pressing power button. So let's see, power up button and release, power down and power button. Don't do slide, just hold button, power button, about 15 seconds. So now it's all done. Now we can see Apple logo, then wait until your iPhone restarting. So now it's all done and it works. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.